biggest part, I think asset, I would say Star Service provides is our preventative maintenance. They're not here just to fix things as they break. They're here to prevent those breaks or those malfunctions in our equipment and keep our schools and facilities running at top notch.
When we looked at our heating and cooling when I came here in 2010, we just had a lot of problems, a lot of maintenance that just was pushed off, and we needed somebody to come in and make an investment with us. Having a fixed cost a contract like we have with Star takes into account of all of those things.
If something does go wrong, I know who to call, and they send someone out right away to fix it.
From the budget side, being CFO, and I know what my bill's going to be every month, but also the service. The fact that I can call and typically within an hour, you've got somebody out here taking care of my problem.
One of the great things about this agreement that we went into is a little more peace of mind. I'm not having to think about, one, is the maintenance being performed properly. But if you truly look at the long term and what you know you're going to end up spending, it really is a no-brainer at that point.
With Star, this is a long-term relationship. This isn't just the regular contractor that comes in the door. This is a company that wants to come in and build a relationship with you, with your staff members, and with the administration. When they come in the door, they're putting their foot in the door to be there long-term, to assist you in all your HVAC needs, and make sure that you can set yourselves up to be successful.